This is the moment our national flag was presented to the Constituent Assembly for the very first time by Hansa Mehta on 14th August 1947. Hansa Mehta was born in the year 1897 in Gujarat. She was one of the 15 women members of the Constituent Assembly who framed our Indian Constitution. Hansa Mehta played a very instrumental role in our fight for independence. As the president of All India Women's Conference, she drafted the Indian Women's Charter of Rights and Duties, which fight for gender equality and civil rights for women at that time. Let me tell you an interesting fact. Hansa Mehta represented India in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The starting of the charter had a phrase, "All men are born free and equal." Hansa Mehta pointed that this phrase should be changed to "All human beings are free and equal," as these rights are for all human beings. Now let me take you to 14th August 1947, when Hansa Mehta presented the national flag to the Constituent Assembly. While presenting the symbol of freedom, our flag, Mehta evoked the presence of many women across the country who wanted to join this historic celebration. She pledged that every woman will continue to work for the greatness of this country, and she inspires us, even today. Wouldn't it be lovely to listen to the woman herself? So without any further ado, let's hear the speech of Hansa Mehta.
Sir, in the absence of Srimati Sarojini Naidu, it is my proud privilege on behalf of women of India to present this flag to the nation through you. I have a list here of nearly 100 prominent women of all communities who have expressed a desire to associate themselves with this ceremonial. There are hundreds and hundreds of other women who would equally like to participate in this function. It is in the fitness of things that this first flag that will fly over this august house should be a gift from the women of India. We have donned the saffron color. We have fought, suffered and sacrificed in the cause of our country's freedom. We have today attained our goals. In presenting this symbol of our freedom, we once more offer our services to the nation. We pledge ourselves to work for a great India, for building up a nation that will be a nation among nations. We pledge ourselves for working for a greater cause to maintain the freedom that we have achieved. We have great traditions to maintain, traditions that made India so great in the past. It is the duty of every man and woman to preserve these traditions so that India may hold her spiritual supremacy over the world. May this flag be the symbol of that great India, and may it ever fly high and serve as a light in the gloom that threatens the world today. May it bring happiness to those who live under its protecting care.
Such a powerful voice, isn't it? Following this speech, the assembly was adjourned till the morning of 15th August. The national flag was officially hoisted at the Red Fort by Jawaharlal Nehru on 16th August. This video is brought to you by We the People Abhiyan, a civil society organization. Our mission is to enable citizens to own understand and practice constitutional values, rights and responsibilities in their daily lives and in their communities. Do subscribe to us for more inspiring content.